Hello guys and welcome to the unboxing of Decathlon's MH100 3% tent. So let's start. So here it is the tent itself and the label says it is MH100 and it weighs 3.3 kg and it is a 3% tent. Here are the diameters. You can see the labels. The price tag says it's for 5,000 rupees, but I got it for 3,000. And yeah, that's it. Now let's get right into the video.
So as you saw previously in my video, we did the unboxing of the new Quechua tent. Now we are going to set up it and then review it. It's a bit windy out here, so I'm also going to give you some basic tips. The first tip would be find a flat surface so you can sleep in your tent easily. Then also look out for the twigs. इन सब को हटा दीजिए, ये सारा कचरा, तभी आपको फ्लैट सरफेस और अच्छे से मिल जाएगी. सो लेट्स गेट राइट इनटू द सेटअप. बेसिकली दिस इज़ द टेंट इटसेल्फ. इतने ही पैकेट में ये आती है एज यू सॉ अर्लियर. देन we'll just open it. This is the tent cover and here you get a manual. So for the setup, if you want any guidance, you can see from it also. Then you get a pocket here which is for your extra ropes and tent pegs. These are tent pegs and these are the ropes. Yeah, you get a good amount of tent pegs. That's awesome. And here is the tent itself. Let's keep this all aside. Open them up and you get these ropes. Nicely packed, compact tent. Then you just need to roll it out. You get these tent poles which are of nice quality. Let's keep them aside too. This is the rain cover of the tent to protect us from the harsh weather outside. Let's keep it aside too. And this is the tent itself, the base of the tent. So let's open it. And watch out for this. This is the main door, so I'll just roll it towards the camera. Yeah. The tent looks of decent quality. The liners are of a pretty premium quality too. You get these pockets for the poles. Now let's get on to the poles. So basically these are the tent poles and keep it aside. You get two of them which you need to set up. Okay, you can set them upright like this. They are of good quality aluminum and are lightweight too. Keep them diagonally to the tent. Similarly with the other pole too. keeping it diagonally. Then these are the pockets. You need to keep them in these pockets. First pole here, then the second one, then they'll just get it up, and you will get a structure frame of the tent when you put this in a pocket. Then we'll just lift both of them up, and then you get these hooks, and from the central hook you just hook it up to the top one. Assure the center so that this doesn't fall out like it did. Then I'll just hook it up quickly. The hooks are made of plastic, which makes them lightweight, which makes the tent lightweight, but still I doubt their durability. Yeah, it is high quality plastic, but though I doubt their durability. So this is how the tent looks like without the outer cover, and then we roll out this outer cover. Make sure that this zipper is in the front. You also have hooks on the foreside of the outer cover and a circular hook here. You should hook them. Also, you have a simple pocket type for the aeration of the tent. So this is how the tent looks like. And now for making it more stable, we'll add the tent poles or the pegs here on all the four sides. Adding the poles, you should keep them 45 degree and an angle of 45 degree. Also, this elastic kind of a material is given in the sides of the tent to make it more stable and sturdy. And for this, ropes are given so that there are already knots tied, which is very good. So you should just untie the ropes. In case of very harsh windy conditions, you can make the tent more stable by just adding the ropes here. And you can get a tent peg and just install it right down. Make sure that you keep this rope not this much longer. You can keep it short. You can just add another knot to keep it short. So this would make the tent more accessible, and easily you can roam around the tent you'll just add the peg at the 45-degree angle as we did earlier. This would make it more stable in case of windy conditions. You don't need it everywhere. So yeah, this is the tent. This is a nice velcro and zipper which would of nice quality. Yeah, you will open it like that. Then you have another door, and here is the tent itself. The tent looks, and the build quality is pretty premium. The rain cover is also good enough. Also, you have a room for your footwear, which is a good plus point, so you can keep your footwear safe from the outdoors. And one add-on, if you want to tie this, it's not compulsory, but if you can tie this, it would prevent you for more windy situations and more rainy situations. You also get a fire and ventilation precautions instruction manual, and you have a tag which says this tent is made in Bangladesh. And it's a good thing that because Bangladesh produces most of the trekking and outdoor things. And yeah, you get a pretty nice room for some ventilation and insulation too. When the weather outside is cold, the warm air would be insulated here, and also the condensation would not happen, which would save you from the cold. Then you have this net for the ventilation, and you have small pockets for your belongings. Also, this has a pretty huge room space, so 3 persons can easily fit in. Also, there's some of the belonging space too if they want to keep it. Then you have a hook for your lighting, and if you want to hook something else too. Then there is this thing, so you can peg this up if you want to. It's not necessary. And yeah, so this is the tent, and it's pretty spacious and cool. So how do you feel about the tent? If you like this video, please like and subscribe.